Alright, what's up guys? It's Packy. Today we got Nick, Mitch holding the camera. We got KP staying at the house. We're gonna give you guys a little house tour and come on in.
Empty spaces, don't know where I'm going, what's my destination? I thought it was the top, I must have been mistaken. You see, I never knew to quit until I met temptations. Got me contemplating on the road. Drive 1,000 miles, why I do this all alone? Acting like it doesn't, but it really takes a toll. I don't see no team, nobody here to play a role. Stuck in the zone, got nowhere to go, I'm so low. I haven't been sleeping, spent all day just dreaming. Close my eyes and see the demons, asking how am I, say I'm fine. Keep the secrets, rather lie than tell my secrets. Feelings are, I just release it, woo. But I do it my own way. Ask a million questions about it, I know what they gon' say. Working every second, every minute for the whole day. Hungry, want the whole plate, you know that I won't wait. Oh, wanna see the rain. Oh, I've been feeling all the pain, but I won't stop. That's on God. No, did it on my own.
Welcome. Upstairs, downstairs. MTV Cribs. This is where we play some board games. Nick gets whooped in some Scrabbles.
Hey man,
Current reigning champion.
can you knock when you come into my room? Speaking of which, here's my room. Got the, the great queen mattress, my great sitting couch, my laptop's right there, just ready for games. Got the Twitch going. Yeah, they don't knock ever, and I can't stand it, but I'll throw it back to Pack. You can finish it off.
Next room's the whole house. This is the kitchen area. This is what we got for the week. Prather usually cooks most of our meals, doesn't clean up at all. Pans are always dirty. They say if you cook, you should also clean everything. But I mean, he clearly doesn't follow those rules. But yeah, this is kind of what we're working with. A little stove. It's our house. Yeah, so this is it. A little outside, little grill. We got some hiking trails in the back that are super nice. Mitch and I usually go for a hike every morning. Nick, 50-50. He's got some hip, knee, old man problems. But yeah, this beautiful backyard. It's probably one of the best we've stayed at. Maybe Jonesboro was better like a couple years back, but this is probably the nicest like true house that we've stayed at. I'll take you downstairs where the magic happens. Unfortunately, this week, they took over our bathroom. They locked the upstairs one, so we're sharing one this week. We got Chris's secretive room. This is where Mitch and Nick stay. In here. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Just kidding, maybe Chris's room is the dirtiest. Let's see. Oh God, what? Just an absolute fucking mess. Can't go in there. Room champions. All right, this is where Chris gets whooped in 2K. He spends, I'd say, about 95% of his day sitting in this chair, 3 inches from the TV. This is my room. It's where the real magic happens. Sorry, guys. That's what I meant by magic right here. I know that people need to see it. And then we got our backyard, which is probably, again, like I said, one of the nicest views that we've had. But yeah, nice backyard, super great view. And then you got what everybody wants to see, shirtless Nick.
Oh, hey. Didn't see you guys there. Figure I did my bit and came to chillax. So, you've seen the house, you've seen my room, you've seen the guest room. We finished hot tubbing. I got a photo shoot to do later. It's time for you to get out.